So one of my things about making pizza is using my own dough. And having cold dough is never easy to work with. And having unproofed dough is even worse. So that's why I love this at-home proofing set that kind of folds away and easy to use. This was gifted to me from the brand. As always, I would get my honest review. So one thing I love about this, and I'm going to actually show you in a minute, is that this is completely foldable and it's easy storage. So I'm going to quickly unfold this. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy.
Mommy, I need to see.
So it unzips here. It has 2 zippers. And then you can easily unzip here, here, and you can fold it easily. And then you could fold it again and store it away just like this. So when you're ready to use it, all you do is you just zip it. Zip it in. It's almost like a PVC material, so it's very easy to wipe. And there's even a screen so you can watch the progress of your proof. And it comes with 2 racks that you can use, but I'm actually just going to put my entire half sheet pan. So this is a pretty standard half sheet pan size. So this is half sheet pan, and as you can see too, there is an internal temperature monitor. And so we even have here, we can set our temperature, we can set our time, and it comes with a handy little like cheat sheet. So I'm actually going to set mine for 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to do it for 1 to 2 hours, and we're going to see how it proves. So this is how it looks in, and I'm going to show you once it's done. So it's been about 2 hours, and we're just going to take a peek and look, and the dough looks so much more full. So I'm going to unzip it. As you can see, my kids are dying for pizza, and they can't wait to see.
I want to feel it.
So this has some important things too. This can range from anywhere of 50 Fahrenheit to 113 Fahrenheit. I had mine on probably like 90 or 80 to 90. And as you can see, they've super nicely puffed up. Just bring you down. So my dough looks super ready. So this is great too for yogurt fermentation, for kombucha. There's a bunch of different uses for this, but for me, I'm a baker, so this is going to be my dough proofing like godsend. This can also proof up to 48 hours continuous heat, all through the remote control. So if you're looking for a dough proofer, and also just like a warming bag, this is definitely, as you can see, this dough is super proofed. It looks gorgeous.